Hey everybody, I'm going to do a little video on Crypto.com DeFi wallet and demonstrate. I have some liquidity provider tokens staked in there. I'm earning about 186%. It goes up and down. And I'm gonna show us how we harvest those and then restake them in the pool to get the maximum compounding effect. And I have to inform you, this is not financial advice. This is not investment advice. But I'm going to document everything I'm doing in DeFi. And so I can go back and figure out what I did and maybe help you guys too. So it's not investment advice. But I'm going to show you the power of compounding here. I used $1,000 as an example on the rate that I'm getting. We'll go check it in a minute. It might be more or less than this, but that's what it was. So $1,000, 186% yearly for 1 year. And this is important. Weekly compounding cycles. You can do daily and get more, but weekly is enough to really get it there, to get it compounding. Compound just means to take your earnings, and then reinvest it into where it's earning the yield. Okay, so $1,000 1 year, 186% yearly. Weekly compounding would be $6,218 after a year, effective annual rate of 521%, or 5.2 times your money. Okay, and this doesn't take into consideration the value of the token going up. This is just on a US dollar right now, you know what I mean? And we're in a crashed market, so we anticipate values going up. So I'm going to go back to my home screen and go to DeFi wallet. And I have some liquidity provider tokens staked in Meerkat. And what that means is this is a decentralized exchange, MMFinance. And all the users in the ecosystem, sorry, I need to go to browser. All the users in the decentralized exchange ecosystem, all the people that are using it, provide liquidity to certain coins, whatever ones they want. So, and in return, they receive a fee based on the 24-hour volume of those two tokens being traded. And anybody can put any amount into the pool. You don't need a lot. You can put a tiny bit in there. You can put a lot in there. But I'm going to go to the earn section and farms. This is Meerkat, mm.finance. Now I'm only into one pool here, and it's one of the higher paying LP pools. So I'm going to click details. So I ended up catching it. See, this used to be $1.70 or $1.80 just like 2.5 months ago, and so I have some LP stakes already in the yield aggregator. It's called MMFinance, and it's lost so much value that it's not going to do anything for a while. So what I'm going to do is, here's my staked value, and here's how much I've earned in MMF tokens. I'm going to harvest those. I'm going to click harvest. And it's going to charge me 2 CRO. It's about 20 cents. It's almost isn't worth restaking. I just want to do a video I already have about $1 worth of MMF already. All right. So now I've taken those out of the protocol, out of this exchange and into my wallet. And this is DeFi, so this is not just a website. This is a decentralized application. It has no server, central server. Nobody can shut down the central server. It's bouncing around all the server nodes for this Chronos blockchain. So now I'm gonna go to trade now that I've harvested those. I'm gonna hit exchange, and I have to have an equal amount of CRO and MMF, and I think I only have some. I have a couple dollars of CRO, but I have to leave some of these on there, at least like 10 to have for fees for doing stuff. So I'm gonna select MMF, and I'm gonna select this 50% button, and on the bottom I'm gonna select CRO. So what we're doing here is we're trading on the exchange MMF for CRO, and you see the liquidity provider fee right here. It's a small amount, like fractions of a cent, but they add up, and that's how we get that rate of return, that 186% or whatever I said it was. I'll go check it in a minute. So that's how we earn off this. So I'm gonna swap that right now and confirm it. It's gonna cost me about 12 or 15 cents. All right. Now I'm gonna go to trade again, and this is where we create our liquidity token, and the token represents an equal share of value in the token that represents my share of the pool, and then I go stake those to earn high yield. So on the top I'm going to input MMF, on the bottom I'm going to input CRO, and since I hit the 50% on the trade section, I should have half and half, but I will have some CRO left over. So I'm going to click maximum on the MMF side, and then I'm going to click supply, and this shows all the ratio, and my percentage of the pool is less than 0.01%. And then confirm supply. It's going to charge me another 15 cents or so. Now I've created the liquidity token, and so I have 13 liquidity tokens, and it's an equal 50-50 balance of this token and that token, of however much I put in there. I have to put half and half. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go to earn, and then I'm going to go to farms. Now, if you do this for the first time, you see how I already am earning there? It's earning live nonstop, 185%. It goes up and down depending on the 24-hour trading volume. So if you do this for the first time, you'll have to hit enable and enable CRO, enable MMF, and then it'll let you add liquidity or stake them. I'm gonna hit that plus button right there. And then here's my balance of pool tokens on my wallet. I'm gonna hit maximum and stake all of those. And then hit confirm. So I put in like $1.50 or something, or $2. I think $2, about $2 worth. And I'll get $5.80 after a year. But that's if the value stays the same. And these MMF tokens are like 96% crashed from their value just a couple months ago. CRO is, I don't know, like 50% crashed. No, more than that. It's not like 95% like MMF, but CRO has also crashed down probably in the 60-70% from a couple months ago in value. My funds have been staked, and that's it. That's how I do that. You can see my balance go up live. I'm not going to have any reason to ever unstake these at all. I'm going to try not to. And just a couple months ago, this was $3,000 to $4,000 worth of LP tokens just a couple months ago. So if the economy would turn around and prices would go back up to where they were, I potentially have $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 worth of LP tokens in here, and also my passive income that I earn as a dollar amount will be more substantial. And that's how we do. So once again, it's not financial advice, but if you want to check out doing this stuff, you guys, I mean, it's the future of money and investing. I mean, nobody can stop it. It's decentralized. That's the beauty of it. So I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Hit the like for me, guys. Subscribe for more. Thank you.